In this module, we're going to look at how to take a basic PLR product and turn it into a premium offer, just by adding a few simple upgrades. These upgrades don't require more content. They just make the experience better for your customer. The easiest way to do this is by adding worksheets, templates, or bonus materials that help your customer take action. Let's say you're selling a PLR ebook on productivity. You can instantly boost its value by adding a daily planner, a habit tracker, or a weekly goal sheet. These tools make the product more useful and more sellable. You don't need to build them from scratch. The ultimate digital cash flow vault includes plug-and-play templates you can customize in minutes. Just open the editable files, adjust the text or branding, and drop them into your final product bundle. Another strategy is to include bonus resources. For example, a quick checklist that summarizes the main points, a printable cheat sheet or summary guide, a bonus video or audio file that adds insight, a template for applying what they've learned. This helps your product feel like a full experience, not just an info dump. You can also create value by bundling related items together. If you have access to the vault, combine a few complementary PLR products into a themed package. For example, pair a financial budgeting guide with a spreadsheet tracker and a goal-setting workbook. Now you've got a full transformation, not just a single item. When your product is easy to use and leads to results, customers notice. They remember the experience. They come back. And when they feel like they're getting more than they paid for, they're more likely to leave reviews, recommend it, or buy from you again. If you don't already have access to the ultimate digital cash flow vault, this is exactly why it exists, to give you everything you need to upgrade, bundle, and brand your products faster. The vault is your shortcut to stacking value without starting from zero. In the next chapter, we'll take everything you've created and start building your storefront, so you can finally put your digital product out into the world and start generating sales. Let's go!